Hi, Dean Banks here, chef proprietor Haar Restaurant. I'm here today in lovely St Andrews at the harbour. Just been out on the boat catching lobsters. We're still buying lobsters for a lovely Haar home, but now we're looking for a brand new home for Haar Restaurant here in St Andrews. We had to recently close our doors for unfortunate reasons. However, we are now looking for our forever home. How we're going to do this is we're going to raise funds through Crowdfunder. We're going to pre-sell meals, dinner for two, dinner for four, dinner with your family. For you, it's pre-buying your dinner so we can raise funds to renovate and find the perfect home for us. We want to be part of the community here in St Andrews. We want to be supporting our local fishermen, our local farmers, and just carry on with this. So if you can help us today, just head to our Crowdfunder, send over a donation, pre-buy a dinner, and help us find our forever home here in St Andrews.